Hello friends, these are African dolls made from old newspapers. These dolls are beautiful option for home decor and gives elegant and stylish look to your house. You can also gift it to your loved ones. In this video, I have made African dolls playing tambourine. It is also called as Dafli. Don't forget to watch other video of African doll. Link is given in the description. So without wasting our time, let's start. Welcome back to Forming Crafts. I have used old newspapers, PVA glue, glitter foam sheet, acrylic colours, scissor and paintbrush. For making these dolls, we will need old newspapers. We will start with making newspaper rolls. Take newspaper and fold it to make 4 equal parts. Open the folds and cut on the fold marks using a scissor to get 4 parts of newspaper. Follow the same steps and make more paper strips ready. Take the paper strip and start rolling a corner of newspaper. You can also use skewers for this rolling. Keep rolling till the other end of the paper. Stick it at the end with glue. Similarly, make around 40 to 50 paper roll strips ready. Now, take a paper roll and fold it from the middle. Twist one part of the strip around the other as shown. It will make a shape of face. Stick the end with glue. Now turn the roll slightly upside down and twist the other part as shown. It will make a shape of turban on her head. Stick the end with glue. And doll face is ready. Take another paper roll and insert it as shown to make doll's hands. Use another paper roll to make shoulders. Fold a newspaper roll in the middle and place it on the other hand to make doll's shoulder. I have used 3 rolls on a side. You can use more for wider shoulders. Repeat the same process on the other side. Now wrap a roll strip around the upper body part. After coloring it, it will look like a cloth. Similarly, stick the newspaper roll around the doll's waist. It will look like waist cloth belt. To make bottom part of a doll, arrange 25 to 30 newspaper rolls in a line and stick it together using a piece of paper. Cut the extra portion of stick rolls. Make straight line by cutting it properly. Cut a cardboard circle of 6 cm and stick it on the paper side of roll sheet. Cut it to a required length and make a cone shape. Now place the doll in the middle of the paper roll cone. Now to stick it together, take a newspaper roll and stick it around the waist as shown. It will help to hold the upper part of the doll and the paper cone together. Doll is ready. To make a tambourine or Dafli, take a paper roll and twist it as shown. It will make a circular shape of tambourine. To continue the circle, add glue in the strip hole and connect new paper roll strip. Keep rolling in the similar way to get the required size of tambourine. Stick it at the end with the help of glue. Doll's tambourine is ready. Now it's coloring time. Color the face, body and hand in black. Use acrylic color for coloring. Color the doll's turban in blue. Color the clothes as per your choice of color. I have used yellow and blue combination. You can also color the base with white color to hide the newspaper printing on the doll's clothes. Now doll's coloring is done. Color the tambourine and it's ready. Place the tambourine within the doll's hands in such a way as shown here that it will look like doll is playing the tambourine. It's time to make doll's ornaments. Cut the thin piece of glitter foam sheet. Make small pieces of it. Stick it around doll's arm and wrist to make bangles. And around the neck to make necklace. Newspaper African doll playing tambourine is ready. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and comment your views in the comment section. And don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you.